Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a YouTube video script for a CSS Galaxy and Gradient animation using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we're going to create a stunning Galaxy animation using HTML, CSS, and a bit of JavaScript. Let's dive right in. First, let's start with our HTML structure. We'll create a simple HTML file with a container div that will hold our Galaxy animation. We've created a basic HTML structure with a container div that will house our Galaxy animation. Now, let's move on to the CSS. We'll use CSS to create the Galaxy background and apply gradient animations to it. Let's write the CSS code. In the CSS, we set up the body to center our container, give it a full viewport height and width, and apply a dark background color. The container class is used to position the Galaxy, and the Galaxy class creates a radial gradient to simulate a Galaxy. We also added a keyframe animation to rotate the Galaxy continuously. Next, we'll use JavaScript to add some interactive elements like stars that twinkle in the Galaxy. Let's write the JavaScript code. In the JavaScript, we listen for the DOM content to load, then select the container element. We create a createStar function that generates star elements with random sizes and positions then randomly within the viewport. We set a timeout to remove stars after 10 seconds and call this function every 100 milliseconds to create a twinkling effect. And there you have it. A beautiful Galaxy animation with twinkling stars using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials like this.